Would you like to know how to slash your cost per lead in half like a samurai? If that's the case, then watch this video. Hey guys, what's up? This is Hernan. Welcome to another video, and thank you once again for watching this video, and thanks for the support and everything that you guys have been giving to this channel. It's been quite a blast actually to set up these videos for you, and a lot of you guys contact me privately saying, "Hey Hernan, thank you a lot for your videos. I implemented this strategy for free that you're teaching for free, and I got a lot of results out of it." So let me turn on the monitor back and I'll show you how you can actually slash your cost per lead in half with this little trick in 2018 with your Facebook ads. Now, with that being said, if you want to get more tricks, tips, and strategies on how to grow your business online, how to get more leads, how to get more sales, and how to actually get a positive ROI on your investment on Facebook ads or any type of advertising that you're doing online for that matter, I would strongly suggest that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. There's going to be somewhere around here a link so that you can do it, or that you follow me on the Facebook page if that's where you're watching this video, or see that you come and join the free Facebook group, which is completely free. It's a great group of people, and we are always shooting a lot of ideas around. And let me share with you guys this. So this is my dog right there. Hey, Nayera. This is my dog right there. I don't know if you guys can see her. That's my dog. Sorry about that. So yeah, she's there and she's asking for food. So I'm gonna feed her and then continue with the video. Okay, so let's talk about how to actually decrease your cost per lead. All right, how to actually slash your cost per lead in half. The reality is that Facebook knows a lot about the audiences, and it knows a lot about what type of audiences you should be doing. And this is kind of tilted, sorry about that. So Facebook knows a lot about your different audiences. All right, it already knows about what's going on their platform, what kind of people are more prone to click, what kind of people are more prone to convert into a lead, what kind of people are more prone to become a buyer. All right, so you can do a lot of ninja tricks and ninja tips when it comes to your Facebook advertising, but there's one thing that you could do today that could potentially slash the cost of your cost per leads or your cost per purchases in half. Now, the reality is that once you have that trick implemented, if you think about it, it's pretty straightforward, right? If you add a new image or a new video to your existing creatives, and that video or that image shoots up your CTR, meaning your click-through rate, by 2 or by 3, meaning that you get, I don't know, you were getting a 1% click-through rate, and then all of a sudden you add a really good image that's really catchy and whatnot, and all of a sudden you start getting a 5 or 6% CTR. That means that your cost per click will dramatically go down. Your quality, not your quality score, but your relevance score will actually go up a lot, and that will allow you to get a lot more traffic to your landing pages just by changing your creatives. If you get more traffic to your landing pages, potentially you can get much more leads just by tweaking one thing of the entire ad set. So right now, images are super important, and not images, but also videos, and also if you have interviews of you with your students, or if you have videos of your products, if you have different images, even screenshots of videos like this, or a bunch of different stuff that you can try and you can test that will potentially decrease your cost per lead. Because again, Facebook knows all of there is to know pretty much about their audiences, right? And I think they kind of know too much, but that's for another video. So if you think about it, you can tweak your campaigns objectives, and you can tweak if you want to go with manual bidding versus auto bidding, which is going to be a link somewhere around here so that you can check that video and when to apply which. You can do all of these little tricks and whatnot, but the reality is that what's going to really move the needle are the creatives. And not only that, but it's been happening more and more often that the creatives they have a shorter lifespan. If you think about it, Facebook wants to keep a really dynamic platform, right? They want people to be surprised, they want people to be entertained and engaged, and that means that no matter how well a picture or a video ad is doing, at some point they stop performing, just because of the fact that Facebook will stop showing it. And there's this thing called frequency that you need to keep your eye on. The higher the frequency, the more times people have seen your ads, and that could potentially bring ad fatigue. Ad fatigue meaning that people are seeing your ad or your creative, your image so much that they just stop clicking on it. The minute that happens, Facebook will stop showing your ad altogether because they don't want to give a poor experience to the people within the platform. Now, the way you kind of fight this is by adding more creatives. So think about this for a minute. Maybe your copy is working. Maybe your copy for your product or for your service or for your webinar, the copy is working, right? You don't need to change the text. What I usually do is to swap out the image. So I will try different images with the same copy and I will go to town with the winning image. Not only that, but what you can also try is to change the first line of the copy or the headline. So you don't have to change the entire copy. You just need to change and tweak some parts so that it will keep on running and will keep on delivering. And maybe from time to time, if you follow the instructions that are gonna be in the cheat sheet, again, the link is gonna be somewhere around here so that you can download my perfect Facebook ad cheat sheet. If you follow the instructions there, you will get an image or a video that are completely killing it and they will decrease a lot your cost per lead. So long gone are the days where you could get like $1 per lead or maybe 1 cent per click or less than a penny per video view, because a lot of people are, embracing Facebook ads and a lot of people are actually going in the platform, and that increases the cost and whatnot. But now it's on the creative side of things, which is a great thing, because if you think about it, if you have a good web designer or graphics designer, if you go to Fiverr.com, or even if you are handy, with Photoshop, for example, you can actually crank out a lot of really good material that will allow you to kind of surpass your competitors. So always be launching new creatives. That's like the new way, because again, Facebook knows its user base. They know which, what kind of people are going to do what. But now it's up to you. The ball is on your court to create a lot of new images that will potentially impact your bottom line for the better. So if you want more tips, tricks, and strategies like this, I would suggest that you do 2 things right now. Number 1 is that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you like the Facebook page, wherever you're watching this video. And number 2, you come and join the free Facebook group. It's completely free, and I share a lot of these strategies among some other really, really good stuff. Guys, thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.